Hello everyone, I'm Shaina Joyce Lapez and today we will tackle about the Ifugao culture. So, let's start. Ano nga ba ang Ifugao? Kilala ito bilang isang rich cultural tradition mula sa kanilang pananalita, sa kanilang kasuotan, at pati na rin sa kanilang pinaniniwalaan. Ang Ifugao ay mula sa probinsya ng Cordillera. Ifugao are also famous for their stunning rice terrace.
Rice terraces as cultural landscape. The Ifugao people are famous for their rice terraces, which are not only practical agricultural sites but also artistic landscapes. The terraces are carved into mountains, showcasing advanced engineering and a deep respect for nature. So, ang mga Ifugao daw, kay sikat daw sila tungod silang rice terraces. Pero, are not only practical agricultural sites pero also po sa mga artistic landscapes, sa mga pa-landscape na painting dako po daw sila respeto sa kalikasan. Art and aesthetic. Wooden carvings and masks. The Ifugao are known for creating intricate wooden carvings, including masks used for dances, ceremonial events, and festivals. These carvings often depict animal and human figures connected to their animistic beliefs. So, ang pasabot daw ni daw, kaya mga Ifugao daw, kailado daw siya. Ilado daw sila as ang manghihimo og mga mask, like kanang ginagamit sa mga pangsayaw or kanang sa mga festivals.
Traditional dishes in Ifugao. Itag, it is made by pork. Pinikpikan is the traditional chicken dish in Ifugao. Rice wine. Rice wine, it is a rice that contains wine. It is served during occasion. Inagbraw is the vegetable dishes in Ifugao.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning to you all. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Pauline Teres Chibeti, and I would like to discuss the religion in Ifugao. So, the Ifugao people are mostly Roman Catholic, with many traditions and practice being influenced by Christianity. Religious festivals such as the Kailoko Festival celebrate the cultural and religious integration and Christianity. Second, Mbaya festivals. This is described as the largest and the most popular Ifugao festival, celebrating the unity of different tribes and showcasing various aspects of Ifugao culture, including dances, rituals, and competitions. Beliefs. Anisam. The Ifugao people traditionally believe in the presence of spirits in all things, including the land, water, mountains, and ancestors. They believe the spirits had an influence on their lives and needed to be respected and appeased. So, ang anisam is dapat, ilang pagtuo sa Ifugao is dapat ang mga spirits is dapat nila irespeto. So next, ancestral spirit. The Ifugao people believe their ancestors continue to watch over them from the spirit world. They honor their ancestors through rituals, offerings, and prayers, seeking their guidance and protection. So, ang ancestral spirit is mauna siya ang pagtuo sa Ifugao kay kung nag-ritual sila, offers, and prayers, kay katuwa sila nga ang mga spirits nga ilang close or masa ilang kinabuhi kay nag-guide sa ila ug tagaan sila proteksyon pag ila tumbuhatan. Muna ang pagtuo sa mga Ifugao sa ancestral spirits. So the spirits of the land, the Ifugao people held a deep reverence for the land, believing the spirits resided in the mountains, forests, and rivers. They saw a rice terrace as sacred spaces connected to the spirit of their ancestors. So, ang spirit of the land is kanang magtuo sila nga kanang makonect daw nila ang mga espiritu nga mas silang kinabuhi kung maadto sa mountains, sa forest, or sa rivers. Muna kung pag-ana sa spirits of the land, so maupo na ang pagtuo sa mga taga-Ifugao. So, next is rituals and offerings. There were essential parts of Ifugao life. They offered food, rice, wine, and other gifts to the spirit to appease them and prosperity. So, ang rituals and offerings, kaya nag-offer sila mga pagkaon or nag-ritual sila para mahatag nila sa ilang mahatag sa mga tao ang mga gusto nila ihatag sa spirits o para murag mo to siya nga part sa ifugaw nga life. So more of spirits or rituals ang ifugaw nga tinuuhan. So that's all. Thank you. Social structure. Council of Elders. This council holds significant power, playing a vital role in decision-making, conflict resolution, and guiding community rituals and everyday life. Elders are highly respected for their wisdom and deep connection to the land, claims, and lineage. Social status is determined by clan, emphasizing the importance of kinship ties. People from the same clan or family often collaborations on tasks such as maintaining the rice, showcasing the strong sense of community within the Ifugao society. The Ifugao people are known for their unique and intricate art, which reflects their deep connection to nature, their rich cultural tradition, and their animistic beliefs.
Ifugaw. Matag ifugaw, amganan ifugaw, mayoyaw ifugaw, and tuwali ifugaw. Matag ifugaw, mahal kani, amganan ifugaw, ayat kani, mayoyaw ifugaw, mahal kano ayat, tuwali ifugaw, mahal kano ayat. So, mo to siya ang mga language sa ifugaw.